Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Remotor. I've been absent for a few weeks, but now I'm back with my Lexus IS 250. Let's try to bring back some life. As you can see, it's super dirty from the leather to the actual carpet inside, under the seats, full of pets' hair. I think they were carrying a dog in this car, and the smell is awful. I've been renting this machine, this wet and dry polisher, and we will go through all the carpet. And as you can see, after a lots of tank with the fresh water, the result was for few times this very dirty water. And at the end, finally we had, I have to say, good result. I put it back the interior here. Now is the time to go through the leather. I firstly already cleaned with some product from leather, but they not really work good at all. And last result was to use a degreaser, which I use in my kitchen, and that worked very nice without any solvent, like elbow grease, and it was very good. As you can see, the leather is much cleaner, but now because it's so dry, you can see on top of my seats there is some leather conditioner, and applied few coats of leather conditioner to make the leather back and soft. I went through the boots as well, spare wheels clean, nice and shine, all over it, nice, clean, and put back together with the original tools from this car. It's very well kept, apart cleaning, believe me. And you can see here the result. After the cleaning and after the conditioner, I applied some dye, and the leather came back like new. Now in a couple of weeks time I will apply some more conditioner, but you can see it's bright and shine, and the leather is like new. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. That will help a lot. See you next. Ciao.